What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Welcome back to another OC Media episode. Today, we got something special for you. Check it out. What could you think in the comments? Right now, go down in the comments. Tell me what you think we're doing today. I don't think many people these days build these, but I got a little project going on. We're going to use some 3D printed parts. We're going to do some 3D printed ammo, and we're going to have a bunch of fun at the end of this episode. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment down below. Right now, think of what we're doing, put it in the comment, give it a good guess, let me know. Let's get to it. Alright, first things first, we got to get this cement out. We're going to have to get some, I got some purple primer and some medium clear cement. Hopefully that's going to hold it all together. I'm not sure. The parts fit really good together. Like I went and made sure all my parts fit. Like took the, I basically made the project inside of Lowe's, so that way I knew it fit. Check it out, little sneak peek of some of the stuff we're doing. It's gonna be fantastic. Let's get to building. Okay, you can stop this. Here we go. I'm not a plumber, so don't be in the comments telling me I'm doing shit wrong. I'm not a plumber. Well, shit, I should probably prime this out too. I'm doing what the instructions said, and I can read. Not very good, but I can read. I'm going to glue all the way around, make sure we get a good seal. Good tight lock. Wait, no accidents happen. Here we go. Tells me to twist it, but there ain't no twisting. I want to make sure all this abrasive surface is really abrasive so the glue will stick. I've done it to all the other parts before, but y'all didn't get to see that. Make sure. I don't want to change the diameter of the pipe either, so don't sand it too much. This ain't even the side I sanded. Oh no. I only got this glue for this project, so it doesn't have to last the whole project. Plumbers are gonna rip me a new one, dude. Oh, well, you should have done this, you should have done that. lot of glue on this barrel. That way we know we got a tight seal. Like I said, I got it from one project and one project only, and you're looking at it, so we're going to use all of it. Get that primer and that glue mix. See, that's the trick. Y'all don't even know about it. Y'all be following instructions. Okay, straight. Can you hold the... Yeah, thank you. That's my hole. Hopefully that is not gonna be bad. What's wrong with my foot? Look at my foot. I think my foot broke. Oh, that's okay. Yep, and my drill's probably broken. Well. Yeah, hold on, let me get the strap wax. There we go. Center that hole up as tight as I can. Debar it. Remember guys, you always can't go back. You can always go low first though. Oh my goodness, look at that fit. That ain't beautiful. Okay, this is going to sound crazy, but I think I'm going to PVC cement this between these two, just to make sure we have a complete seal. I about said that on the ground, made a major mistake. You filming?
Mm-hmm.
Good work. Bro, alright guys, so the potato cannon fucking sucks and we can't get it to work. So we got a bunch of kinetic weapons for it. Damn, at the bottom of it. About didn't release my line, so that shit would have just jumped back and hit me in the face. This thing's deadly as hell. I don't know if you got me shooting it.
Shoot it from like right here.
Nothing wrong with it.
It's the raft. You just reeled a bird's nest up in there.
Yep, it's gonna work.
Is it gonna come out?
We gonna hope. It's even got drag. So if it starts pulling drag, we got a big old fish on. I've seen it where these Chinese people have taken these and shot them through their hand.
Probably have to edit that out.
Why do they do that? Let me shoot my hand with this
Ready?
slingshot. Oh, I see how it could happen now. Yeah. I see how it could go through your hand now.
Alright.
Go get the
Damn! TV's strong.
Before that,
Concrete wall.
That's a hell of a TV. LG.
2 on bottom and 1 on top?
I
yeah.
put all 3 on bottom. Like middle ring.
Watch it. Oh my goodness. I haven't used this bow in a year. Hopefully this didn't snap in my hand.
There's a shatter. Still didn't go through it. That's a little bit insane. Did it break it?
Broke my arrow.
Did it really?
Nothing back
Didn't
here.
even put a mark on it. There it goes. It don't.
Yeah, at least stick in it.
It don't.
I think it's gonna stick
You
in.
could definitely promote LG.
Shoot at the bottom of the TV, because I think it's high.
On which line?
The center one. Put it right in the middle. The tracer's on! The what you want to call it? Fletching's on.
Look there. I don't even think it broke the flag. Broke the arrow though. Did it?
Broke the tip on.
Oh no, it didn't break that one.
Stout old TV.
Damn. Hey, that. So the potato gun didn't work out. We got 2 arrows in the TV. This is how we do it on OC Media.
Hit that motherfucker, Steven.
Hey, that goes right through it. There you go. Let me see one of them. Bro, go hit that motherfucker. Beat it up.
Hit it with the blunt side.
There you go.
That's what I did the first time.
No, you didn't even go through it. There you go. You hit the same hole. Knock that fucking. Somebody knock the stand off of it so it's flat. Hit it with the hose. Hit it sideways. Sideways. Knock that motherfucker like that. Damn.
Damn, that's a sturdy TV, dog.
Dude,
Damn.
the sturdiest TV I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's just
It's
the
got like-
internals.
It's got like 4 things of glass.
Damn.
Here we go.
Could have been. I cut the side of it. I didn't hit the TV.
That's how we do it on OC Media. Stay tuned. Wait. Come back. Stay tuned for the next episode. Like, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.